Yes, good morning students. Welcome to mathematics class. So we are discussing quadratic equations chapter, right? In the last class we discussed about the quadratic formula. So using quadratic formula, how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Yesterday I gave 7 problems as homework. So all the students are recommending that fifth problem is doubt for them. They are not getting the perfect roots. Okay, so that's why we are solving fifth problem now. You just see the fifth question. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 which is equal to 0. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c which is equal to 0. First list out A, B, C value. A value is root 2, B value is 7 here and C value is 5 root 2. Right now students? Yes, now formula. So we have to write the proper formula, quadratic formula we have to take. So what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You have to write the proper quadratic formula. Then substitution work. Okay, minus formula minus b value is 7 minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square is 7 square minus 4 into a value is root 2 into b value is C value is 5 root 2. C value is 5 root 2 divided by 2 into A value is root 2. 2 into A value is root 2. Up to this you have got the proper idea now. Substitution. Just a substitution. Now next step is simplification. So x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of, here you just observe, 7 square. 7 square is 49 minus, see here, very important, 4 into root 2 into 5 root 2. First you have to multiply better root 2 into root 2, root numbers. Root 2 into root 2 you all know. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 the whole square. Square root get cancelled, 2 only. Right now? Yes. So 4 into 2 into 5. 4 into 2 into 5. Okay. So better you just do one thing. Next step you can write that in the form of 4 into 5 into root 2 into root 2 is 2 divided by in the down 2 root 2. Up to this got the idea now? Yes? Okay. Next step. Just a multiplication step. So x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 5 fours are 5 fours are 20, 22s are 40 divided by 2 root 2. What is the next step? X is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 49 minus 40 is root 9 divided by 2 root 2. Got the idea of this one? Now, x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 divided by 2 root 2. Up to this got the correct steps now. Minus 7 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Now we have to apply once plus operation then minus operation. Okay. Here we'll work out x is equal to minus 7 plus 3 will take first divided by 2 root 2. That is x is equal to minus 7 plus 3. What is the answer? Minus 4 divided by 2 root 2. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are x is equal to minus 2 divided by root 2. X is equal to minus 2 divided by root 2. Another one. X is equal to minus 7. Here minus 3 will take now. Minus 3 divided by 2 root 2. Now x is equal to minus 10 divided by 2 root 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. So the roots are minus 2 by root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. So did you got the same answer in the quadratic equation by factorization method? You have to verify that answer. Just go back to your notes page. Okay, what you got in the factorization method for the same question, same roots here we need. Okay, so x is equal to minus 2 by root 2 and x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 are the roots of the equation root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2, which is equal to 0. Yes, how many of you got this answer? X is equal to minus 2 by root 2 and x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. How many of you got this answer? Actually, raise your hand. Yes. Actually, what you got? How many of you got this answer? X is equal to minus 2 root 2 and x is equal to minus 5 root 2. 5 by root 2. Yes, you all know the rationalization of the denominator. You can continue with that also. Rationalizing the denominator step also you can do. No need. Okay. So this is the final answer you can take. Yes. What is there? Not audible. Not audible. Why? For all? Yes, got the idea, no? Yes, what we got in the last factorization method for the same quadratic equation. Is it the same answer? Yes. So you can verify your answer with the answer page also. What is given in the answer page actually? For 4.2. Exercise 4.2. What is there in the answer page? Yes. 4.2 first main third question. 4.2 first main third question. What are the roots? Yes, minus 5 by 2 and minus root 2. Minus root 2. How they got actually? Minus 5 by root 2 they have they are keeping like that only. But x is equal to minus 2 by root 2. Again they are doing something. Okay. Minus 2 divided by root 2. So how they got minus root 2 as answer in answer page? Do you know? Yeah, this one is also right. Minus 2 by root 2. Yes, rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator, root 2 divided by root 2. Then, how? Let us try this one. Root 2 divided by root 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 get cancelled. X is equal to minus root 2. X is equal to minus root 2. Rationalize the denominator. So, but they are keeping another one root as it is, no? Minus 5 by root 2. So, they are keeping another one root minus 5 by root 2 only. Only for the first one, they applied the rationalize the denominator method. Okay. So, if you want, you can do the rationalizing the denominator for both. So, that is the right answer only. Rationalizing the denominator is nothing but the equivalent value of this one only. So, I told no that day scientific calculator, you can see that one answer, this answer, and after rationalizing the denominator, whatever answer you will get, both the values are same, but just a rationalizing process. What is that rationalization process? Converting the irrational denominator into rational number is called as the rationalization of the denominator. That clear, students? Got the idea of this problem now? Yes? Fifth problem is clear? Yes. Now, let us continue with the example problems related to formula method. So, in the textbook, many example problems are there. That one we have to discuss today. And tomorrow, we'll discuss the exercise problem. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss exercise problem. Now, can we continue the formula method for the example problem? In the example problem, some statement problems are there. So, that's why I want to give the idea for you people. Okay, let us discuss example problems now. Okay, see example problems. I'll tell the number of example problem, okay? After the quadratic formula introduction, okay, so example 10 we have to discuss now. Example 10, solve question number 2, first question of exercise 4.1 by using the quadratic formula. Okay, so they are telling that some exercise number. Which question it is actually? Solve question number 2 in that one first question of exercise 4.1, not 4.1. In my textbook actually it is 4.1. I am using the old textbook. In your textbook it is 10.1. Right now Akshay? Yes, 10.1. So in the 10.1 exercise, question number 2. Okay, which question? Ha. Which question actually this one? Second main, first question. Second main, first question they are telling that. Question number 2, first question. Correct now? Second question. Are you observing that one? Yes, tell me the page number, Akshay, in your textbook.
22.
22. Page number 22. Do you all have the textbook now with you? Yes, just open that page number 22. In that, you just observe the 10.1 exercise. In that second main first question, you just observe. So we have to apply the formula method for this question. Okay. So the question is, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. We discussed already. We discussed this problem now in the last class. Okay. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. It's okay. So already discussed problem. Still once will recall how we solved that problem that day. Okay. So here what is given actually? Area of a rectangular plot is given. We all know that area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. We need length and breadth. Here some description is given about the length and breadth. What is? The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Okay. So here we are considering the rectangular plot here. Length and breadth. Okay. So we have to find out. So area is given, that is 528 meters square. Area is given that 528 meters square. Okay, now what is given actually? Length description is given. So we have to consider the breadth as x, no? So let the breadth be x. We are taking the breadth. So we'll discuss it short. Okay, so breadth we are considering as x. Then what about the length actually? So let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x. Then the length, according to statement, length is, okay, 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than twice its breadth is 2x. Got the idea of this one? So let the breadth of the rectangular plot be x. We have to take the breadth of the rectangular plot be x. Then length is 1 more than twice the breadth. Okay. So 1 plus 2x or 2x plus 1. Then we all know that area is given 528 meters square. Then length into breadth is equal to 528 meters square. Here length is 2x plus 1 into breadth is x, which is equal to 528 meters square. Then 2x into x is 2x square plus 1 into x is x, which is equal to 528. So next step is 2x square plus x minus 528, which is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Okay, this is the required quadratic equation. Now we have to list out a value is 2, b value is plus 1, c value is minus 528. C value is minus 528. Now using the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the value in this formula actually. A is equal to, B. First we need B value, minus B. So minus 1 plus or minus square root of B value is again 1 square is 1 only. Minus 4 into A value is 2 into C value is minus 528. Okay. So divided by 2 into 2. So next step, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus. So now here minus into minus plus here. Minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 528. I need the answer from your 4224. Okay, thank you Vaishnavi. Okay, 4224. 2 2s are 4. Now x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 4224 plus 1 is 4225. So divided by 4. Is it a square number, students? 4225, is it a square number? What is the perfect square root? You have to find the root of this one. We are discussing the example problem, students. Yes, what is that? 65 into 65, 4225. Okay, thank you. So x is equal to, here we are continuing, x is equal to -1 plus or minus 65, no? Yes, 65. Square root of 4225, 65 divided by 4. Now we have to apply one plus operation, then another one minus operation. First we'll operate plus. -1 plus 65 divided by 4, or x is equal to -1 minus 65 divided by 4. At a time we'll work out. At a time. Okay. So now x is equal to -1 plus 65 is 64 divided by 4, or x is equal to minus 66 divided by 4. 66 divided by 4. So then can you simplify next? X is equal to 64 by 4. What is the final answer? 64 by 4. What is the final answer? 64 by 4. What is the final answer? 16. Yes, 16. Okay, x is equal to 16. 4 ones are 4 16s are. Next here, x is equal to minus 66 divided by 4, minus 33 divided by 2, minus 33 divided by 2. Now we got two roots here. X is equal to 16 or x is equal to minus 33 by 2. Now which value we have to choose actually? Actually our situation is breadth we are taking, rectangular garden breadth we are taking actually x. Actually, so their one value is negative value. Then length of the rectangle need not be negative, no. So it is not negative. So always it is positive. Length, breadth, okay, distance, area. It is always in the positive value. That's why we have to choose x is equal to 16. We have to choose. So we have to choose, okay, x is equal to 16 because breadth is always in the positive sign. So x is equal to 16. Therefore, area of the rectangular garden, it is given of 528. In that breadth is 16. Then length is 16 into 2 plus 1. What is the value? Mataji, your voice is not audible for all students. My voice is not audible for all. Audible, Mataji. Only for few students it's happening. Why I don't? Audible but not visible. Why? What happened? Here network is there. Full network we have actually. Mataji, oh, video is blur. All are messaging that. Audible. Yes, check madam. Howdu? 1 second, students. 1 second. We are correcting the camera. I think chalk powder. It's a problem of chalk piece powder, huh? Yes, got the idea of this problem, students? Yes. So this is one type of problem. Same to same, quadratic equation. So already we worked out this problem, no? So, but now we worked out the same problem with the help of quadratic formula. Okay. Now let us work out one more problem. Wait for 1 minute. Yes, students, now we'll discuss one more example problem, that is example 11. You just see example 11. Page number, next page only. No. Page number, Akshay, example 11. Example 11. 33. Page number 33. You just see page number 33. Example 11. Okay, example 11. Okay. So, I'll read the question. Find two consecutive odd positive integer. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Sum of whose squares is 290. So actually we discussed this type of problem, consecutive integers problem. Now there is small change in that. Sum of find two consecutive odd positive integers. Odd positive integers is given. Odd positive. But in the last problem we discussed this type of problem actually. There the condition is positive integers, consecutive positive integers, not odd or not even. It is not mentioned in that problem. No, here odd numbers, they are taking the odd numbers. So how to choose the two positive consecutive odd integers? Can you tell me? Let the smallest number be x only. Always we are choosing the smallest number be x. Okay. Let the smallest number in the two numbers. Okay. Let the smallest number be. Let the smallest number be x. Let the smallest number be x. So we are considering the first number as x. Then which is the second one? Odd numbers we have to take. Actually in that last problem, just a two positive consecutive integers, in the sense one number x, another number is x plus 1 we are taking now. Because 11 and 12 like that, 12 and 13 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now we need the odd numbers. We have to choose the two odd numbers. For example, if 11 is first number, next odd number is 13. Then can we take x plus 1 for that? If first number is x, can we take x plus 1? First number x 11, then x plus 1 is 12 we'll get, no? So but now we have to change the second number. Then the second number, the other number be x plus 2 we have to take. If positive, odd numbers or even numbers given, then you have to choose the smallest number as x and the next number be x plus 2. So odd or even condition is not mentioned in the problem. Then you have to choose the two positive consecutive integers in the form of x and x plus 1 only. But here they have mentioned that positive odd integers, odd numbers 11 and 13 or 15 and 17 plus 2. 2 increase we have to take. So if the first number is x, then the other number be x plus 2. Got the idea of the two numbers? Okay, so we have to take the smallest number be x, then the other number be x plus 2. Got the idea? No, no need to read the statement and all, no, because it's an example problem. You can see that one. Let the another number be, okay, x plus 2. According to statement, okay, let the another number, let us write. Another number be x plus 2. Okay, according to statement. According to statement, something is given. Okay, now what is given there? According to statement, actually again we have to read the problem. Find two consecutive odd positive integers, sum of whose squares is 290. Sum of whose squares. Squares in the sense x square, sum is given, some word is given. X square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 290. Got the idea of this problem? Okay, sum of the squares of these two numbers is 290. Then x square plus, here we have to apply a plus b whole square, that is x square plus 2ab, that is 4x plus 4, which is equal to 290. Got the idea of this one? Here we applied a plus b whole square. A square is x square. 2 into a into b. 2 into x into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4x. Then 2 square is 4, 290. Then x square plus x square is 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 290, which is equal to 0. Then 2x square plus 4x. Then 4 minus 290 is minus 286, which is equal to 0. Got the idea of this one? Now can you continue this formula with the help of quadratic formula? Yes. Can you solve this formula? Divide the equation by 2. Yes, of course. So now you are observing that all the numbers are divided by 2. No? Yes, we can do that one also. We can make the equation very simple. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Then here x square. Then here 2x minus here 143, which is equal to 0. Right now? Did you got the same expression? So x square plus 2x, here 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are. Right now? So now can we apply quadratic formula for this? Yes, quadratic formula here you list out A value is 1, B value is plus 2, C value is minus 143. Okay, C value is minus 143. Now you just take quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now substitute x is equal to minus b value is 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is minus 143. Minus 143 divided by 2 into 1. Next step, x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 square is 4, minus into minus plus. Okay, 4 ones are 4. 4 into 143, yes, thank you so much, 572. 572 divided by 2, x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 572 plus 4 is 576 divided by 2. Now you have to find out the square root of 576. Can you tell me the square root of 576? What is this? Akshay, what is this? Where we have to go? This one? Okay. Yes, square root of 576 is 24. Okay. So then x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 24 divided by 2. So now we have to apply one plus sign, then another time minus. X is equal to minus 2 plus 24 by 2 or x is equal to minus 2 minus 24 by 2. So board is visible now, students? Yes. Now x is equal to, see here, x is equal to 24 minus 2 is 22 by 2 or x is equal to minus 26 by 2. So now x is equal to 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 one answer. One root is 11. Now another one is 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 threes are x is equal to minus 13. So which one we have to choose now? Which one we have to choose? Two roots are 11 and minus 13. We got the roots are 11 and minus 13, but here we took the smallest positive integer we have to take. So that's why we have to choose the answer x is equal to 11. Okay, x is equal to 11 is the first smallest number. Then 11 plus 2, that is 13 is the next number. Got the idea? 11 and 13 both are odd numbers only now. Yes. So x is equal to 11 we have to choose for this problem. But the roots of the equations are 11 and minus 13. Got the idea of this problem, students? Yes. Okay. Yes. Now we have to discuss two more example problems. But here I got the warning. Okay. So let us do one thing. I'll stop this meeting. Okay. Join with the same link for another one meeting. Okay. Last 20 minutes will continue the class. Okay. Join with the same link, students.